It's important to understand what the major components of a typical volute-type centrifugal pump are and what they do. Water enters the pump through an opening called the pump suction inlet and then flows to the impeller where it is funneled by curved vanes. The impeller is typically made of bronze, cast iron, or stainless steel. To minimize the loss of energy due to turbulence and friction, the casing is cast in the form of a smooth volute or spiral, which gives the water greater speed as it moves into the distribution system. To prevent leakage at the point where the shaft protrudes through the case, packing rings, lantern rings, or mechanical seals are used to seal the space between the shaft and the case. A replaceable shaft sleeve protects the pump shaft from the continual rubbing of the packing. Sleeves are generally made of bronze alloy, which is more resistant than steel to the corrosive effects of water. Packing consists of one or more separate rings of graphite-impregnated cotton, flax, or a synthetic material placed on the shaft or shaft sleeve. The section of the case in which the packing is mounted is called the stuffing box. When a pump operates under suction lift, the impeller inlet is operating in a vacuum. Air can enter the water stream along the pump shaft if the packing doesn't provide an effective seal. Often, a lantern ring is placed in the stuffing box. Pump discharge water is fed into the ring and flows out through a series of holes leading to the shaft side of the packing and away from the packing gland. The water acts as a seal and also lubricates the packing. If there is excessive suction head on the pump, the suction pressure will compress the packing rings and require frequent replacement, so an alternative is to use mechanical seals. The mechanical seal is provided by two machined and polished surfaces, one attached to and rotating with the shaft and the other to the case, held securely in place by a spring. There is little or no leakage expected from a mechanical seal. The major advantage of mechanical seals is there is no wear or damage to shaft sleeves. The disadvantage is that certain types are more difficult and costly to replace. However, mechanical split seals are available which do not require the removal of the shaft and impeller from the case.